In this tutorial, we'll take on the role of workbook authors and learn how to create interactive charts in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Interactive charts allow analytics consumers to toggle visualization options for faster analysis and within more organized workbooks. I currently have a workbook with 4 visualizations, each showing key metrics related to sales. Instead of having 4 visualizations on a single canvas, I want to turn them into a single visualization with a drop-down menu so that my analytics consumers can quickly choose what data they want to see. This makes my workbook interactive and uses the canvas space more efficiently. There are 4 key steps in creating interactive charts with parameters. First, I'll create a parameter with the values I want to show, then a dashboard control with the parameter, then I'll create a calculation to connect the parameter to my data. Finally, I'll create the visualization, which will have the drop-down key metric selector. I'll create a parameter and name it key metric selector. I'll set available values as customer segment, city, product category, and order priority. These are the values my analytics consumers will choose from in the visualization. I'll connect these values to columns in my data through a case statement calculation. Next, I will right-click the parameter I created and select Create Dashboard Filters Visualization. This is the dashboard control drop-down selector that my workbook consumers will interact with. This selector has the parameter values I just defined. Now I will use a case statement calculation to connect my parameter values in the selector to the columns in my data. In the data panel, I'll right-click my calculations and select Create Calculation. I'll name the calculation, then create a case statement which connects my parameter values to the key metrics data columns that correspond to them. For example, when the customer segment parameter value is selected, the customer segment column data will be shown in the visualization. The same will happen for the other values I defined in this visualization. I'll validate and save the calculation. Now the parameter values are connected to the data columns I want. I can now create my visualization by multi-selecting the sales measure and my key metric selector calculation. Right-click and select Pick Visualization, then I'll select Bar Chart. Now my visualization is interactive, so my analytics consumers can toggle the selector and choose among the 4 sales visualizations they want to see, like sales by city or product category. I'll also turn this chart into a horizontal bar chart for better legibility. I can connect the title and axis labels to the parameter as well. I'll click Properties and the General tab, then Title and change it from Auto to Custom. I'll add the parameter syntax by typing sales by @parameter key metric selector and enter. I'll do the same for the axis labels in the Axis tab. I'll select Title, then change it to Custom and paste the parameter syntax. When an analytics consumer selects the parameter values in the key metric selector, the visualization, its title and axis, refresh to show the data they want to see. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.